Hello, my name is Harsha, and this is my one-liner for My Investment Journal, a journaling app that helps retail investors find undervalued assets using web scraping and AI. Here's the toy I made over the weekend. So, the idea is that the users will write down observations, 3 observations about the market every day, and they're able to view the observations they've made in the past, and they're able to analyze these observations. And the idea is that they're able to find trends in the market before the market realizes, and then buy these assets at a smaller price. So they're able to analyze it, see the analysis. You use web scraping to get the analysis, and use an AI model to give them feedback in plain English, and they're able to view the stock based on their observation data to see if they were accurate. And then here's the form where they can write the assets, write the observations, and I'll make this a little prettier next time. And then after this, they can also view an observation by the asset name, and also they can view it by the date. So thank you so much. Have a good day.